Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just gonna be me sitting down, kind of getting ready for the day to obviously not do much, but just thought I'd sit down and film it for you guys. It's really like a simple, fast makeup that you can do in like 10 minutes. Obviously, it got kind of dramatic there, so some of the steps you can omit if you want, but so if you like this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And if you want to be notified every time I post a video, just click on that post notification bell. And if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to start by priming my face with the Kane & Austin Prime and Protect Mattifying Primer. This has SPF 50, green tea, vitamin C, and some other skin goodies. So we're just going to prime with this. This one has like a tint to it. And I'm mainly using it for the sunscreen today. It is supposed to be mattifying, which I really don't notice that much. For my foundation and concealer, I'm going to be using my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Concealer, and I'm using the shade 1 Linen. I like this one because you can use it, I don't know if I showed you, you can use it for your foundation and concealer. It's got that big doe foot applicator. I'm just going to apply it everywhere and then blend it out with my sponge. I don't think I've ever used this with a sponge, so we'll see. I do notice though that with this one, it does kind of sit pretty heavy on my skin, but maybe with the sponge it will help with that. Okay, so that's like one layer, and I really like the coverage. So if you want, you can just leave this, or you can go in with a concealer, like maybe just a lighter one to brighten up your skin, which is what I'm gonna do right underneath my eyes. Just a little bit. And I'm using that e.l.f. concealer. I'm also gonna take it on my lid as well for my primer. I might do a little bit on the rest of my face just to kind of balance that out. Just a touch though. Yeah, so I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. So I'm really just trying to make sure that that light color is even throughout my whole face. But like I said, you don't have to do this. You can skip this step and just use that Clinique foundation. I'm going to set my face with my Wet n Wild Photo Focused Pressed Powder in Warm Light. And I'm just going to be using my Morphe E3 powder brush. And I'm just going to set my entire face. Now I'm going to move on to my eyes, and I'm going to be using my Tarte Clay Play Base Shaping Palette. I've used this in another video, and I know that they don't have this one, but they have one similar that has a blush and I think a highlight. So I'm sorry if they don't have this one, but I'm mainly just using pretty basic colors out of this palette. So you can really use whatever palette that you have. And I'm gonna take my flat shader brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Solstice, which is like a white color, and I'm just gonna use that to set my concealer on my lid. Okay, so I messed up on that last eye look, but I'm gonna change it a little bit. I'm gonna use Terracotta, this like pretty warm tone bronzer. And take this, and I'm gonna put this in my crease. And then with that flat definer brush, I'm gonna take Stone. It's like right above Terracotta. It's like a more gray tone brown. And I'm just going to kind of create a wing with this. I'm not very good at wings. Okay, I'm back. So I finished that wing. They're pretty intense wings. And then I applied my Man Eater mascara from Tarte. So that's really all I've done so far. I just cannot get over how like crazy dramatic these wings are, but whatever. Now I'm gonna move on to my brows, and I'm going to comb them and then use my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill and Boost and Set. So we're gonna fill them in really quick. You know the drill. I know my eyebrows look crazy. I need to tweeze them. Okay, I'm gonna finish up my under eye. I'm just gonna keep it really simple, and I'm gonna take that same color that we used to create the wing, and I'm just gonna smudge it under my lashes. So the Stone color, and I'm just using this Morphe E36 pencil brush. Now we're gonna move on to bronzer, and I'm just gonna take that Terracotta shade in this palette and bronze with it. And I'm going to be using this brush because it's what I have over here. Terracotta. Such a pigmented bronzer, like, oh shoot. Like I even tap off the excess and it's still like so freaking pigmented. Use it for both temples. So bronzer's on. Now I'm going to move on to my blush, and I'm going to use my Flower Beauty Flower Pots Powder Blush in Peach Primrose. This is what it looks like. It's a very cool toned eye look, so we need something to warm us up. That was pigmented too. Maybe just combined with that like terracotta bronzer, it's just like in your face. Can kind of tone that down with our powder brush. Just kind of, I swear it looks way more pigmented on camera than it does in person. Highlight, I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Moonlight Pearls highlight. Taking my Anastasia brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of this highlight and put it in my inner corner. Put a little bit underneath my brow. Now for lips, I'm gonna be taking this Essence lip liner in the nude. I don't know if they still have this color, because when I looked on Ulta the last time, I couldn't find it. But you can just use any lip liner you like. These are really good though. They're like super creamy. Yeah, I really recommend these Essence lip liners. They're so creamy and they're pretty inexpensive. And now to finish off the look, I'm going to be taking MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy. It's pretty dark, so I'm not going to use that much of it. Just going to use like a little bit. Kind of like patting it. Just get a little bit of the color on there. Okay, so here is the final look. So I just wanted to kind of sit down, film like a really super simple, easy makeup look that you could do anytime, especially with that Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Concealer combo. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.